Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter,
Sherry.
and we are going to show you the bucket that can be bought up until, I believe, the 31st, unless they have extras, and then it'll run later beyond the 31st.
Or while supplies last. You know, 'cause
Exactly.
they always say that.
So this
They
is the
might be
bucket
out.
they have out, special thing for Halloween.
And who are they?
Who are who? Duncan Donuts.
I don't know if you said
Yeah,
it or
I
not.
did. Go ahead and show
Sorry. So this is a little purple.
And
bucket.
you can get the bucket for a little over $5, at least in this state. And the donuts that come in it is normally 50 Munchkins. So I bought this on Monday and took it to work with the 50 Munchkins in it. Of course, it was gone right away because we have lots of people out at work.
That's the top of the lid.
And they really enjoyed it.
Look, it has us in there. It reflected us.
So I just wanted to really quick come tell you that. So in case you haven't gotten one or don't know anything about it, the only reason I knew about it is my girlfriend at work told me when the special started and everything. So that's when I was looking forward to do it. So they have the Munchkins where you can pick whatever specific one you wanted, or you can get a variety. And I believe the variety had, I don't know what the flavor was, but they had sprinkles all over the outside of one.
So good.
They had the pumpkin flavor, the regular glazed flavor, and I think they had blueberry, and I know they had chocolate. They did not have the powdered Munchkins.
What a shame. Those
Do
are good too.
they ever have powdered at our place? Have you ever gotten a powdered? Usually when I ask, they're out. What are you looking at me for?
Sorry, what do you mean powdered? Like
The powdered donut.
Just like the little round?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
can get 'em.
okay.
'Cause
So it's
it'll
got to be
say-
at the first of the day. Although they didn't
yeah,
give me
you
any.
have to go first thing in the morning. Just like the ones with the sprinkles on it. It was 8 o'clock in the morning, and I went to get 3 of them because they came in a 3-pack.
Right.
They're already out. I was like, "You're out already?
Okay,
It's 8
so
o'clock in the morning on a Sunday."
I got those at about 6 in the morning, and they had no powder. It was not offered in that bucket. So anyway, show the inside of the bucket.
Oh,
Yeah. So
it's
that-
empty, so we all
So
know.
it's great for a trick-or-treat container if you don't have one and you want it. Or in our case, we can put anything we want in the sewing room. That's what I'm going to do, something in the sewing room. I mean, not necessarily the lid's going to be used for anything, but the bucket itself will be something. Okay, that was it.
You can hang the lid up, I guess, because it's got little bitty air holes in it. You can put an animal in there because it has air holes in it. Get it?
Bigger than a mouse because it'll come through that.
It'll come right through the little moon.
That's right. Thanks for joining me, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can make a comment if you would like. Maybe you went and got yours for the employees that you work with. I don't know.
Yeah, don't put animals in it unless it's a stuffed animal. There you go.
All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.